Alright, let's look at the homework 7.5, 7.6, problem number 4. Alright, so we want to find the three positive numbers x, y, and z so that the sum is 2 and the sum of squares is a minimum. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we want to minimize, so x squared plus y squared plus z squared, right? Then this is subject to sum is 2, so you have x plus y plus z is equal to 2, and also these are positive numbers, so x comma y comma z, they are all positive. Alright, so I'm gonna just solve this equation for z, so subtract the x and y. So z is equal to 2 minus x minus y. Right? So we plug this in. So we want to maximize this guy, but which is the same thing as x squared plus y squared. And z, I'm going to rewrite it as 2 minus x minus y squared. Right? So this is the function we want to minimize. I'm going to call it x comma y. Right? So let's find a critical point. Right, so let's take the partial with respect to x would be, right, 2x, and partial of that would be 0. So plus 2 times 2 minus x minus y, subtract 1 from the power, and times the partial of inside would be negative 1. So times negative 1, right? And I'm gonna just let's see, simplify this. This is going to be actually set that equal to 0 first, right? Divide through by 2 because there's 2 and there's 2. 0 divided by 0 is still 0, and this is going to be simplified too. So x minus plus x, so it's a 2x, right? And a negative y, so plus y, right? And minus 2. Right, so minus 2. I'm going to actually put it on the other side and write it as a plus 2. Alright, so we take the partial with respect to y. So that's 0. So you have a 2y plus, right, 2 in front. Keep the inside function as it is. Subtract 1 from the power. And partial of inside with respect to y is negative 1. Right, so set that equal to 0. Right, so divide through by 2. Right, then if you simplify this, you're going to get, let's see, there's x there. And then you have y plus another one, so plus 2y is equal to, so negative 2, so it's positive 2. Right. So what you can do is you can, let's see, multiply the top guy and by 2. Right? Actually, I shouldn't have divided by 2. But 4x plus 2y is equal to 4. Right? Then you have x plus 2y equals 2. So we can just subtract. So you have a 3x, that's 0. Is equal to 2. Right, divide through by 3, we get x equals 2/3. Right, once you know x, we can find the y from this equation. So I plug in 2/3 here. So that will be 4/3 plus y equals to 2 by subtracting 4/3. Y is equal to 2 is 6/3 minus 4/3 is 2/3. Right, and of course the z is going to be 2 minus 2/3 x minus 2/3, so that's going to be again 2/3. Right, so it seems like it's all 2/3, 2/3, 2/3. Right, so let's type it in. Right, 2/3 comma 2/3 comma 2/3. Right, let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.